Hello and welcome. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing how to install YQARCH plugin for AutoCAD 2025. So you've downloaded the plugin, open the folder. You can do this in three ways. Let's start from the first one. Make sure that you have the right or latest version. My own is 6.74. After that, look for this file, install.vlx. Drag it into your AutoCAD file. Normally it should install, but if it says install failed, we can go to the next option. For the next option, we need to type options in the command bar. Once we type that, the option toolbar comes up, and under support file search path, click on the plus icon beside it. Click on add, then browse. You are going to go to the YQARCH folder. For me, I saved it under downloads. And we are going to link up three files. The first one will be the system folder. So open YQARCH, select the system file folder there, click on it, and click open. And you'll see it there. You click apply. You start again for the next folder. Click on add, click on browse. Then you go back to your YQARCH folder, and then you select the second file, which will be user. Now you might see user 1 or user 2 or something like that, but for me, I'm just going to select user 1 and click open. And I'm going to repeat it for the last file. Last file is the font file, so I'm going to click on add, click on browse, and then go back to my YQARCH folder again, and then select the font, click open, and after that I'll click on apply and OK. So these are the three files I've just added. I'm forcing AutoCAD to see these three files. Make sure that they're all properly linked, and click on OK. And after that, I'm just going to close and restart AutoCAD. So I'll go open, click on restart. And once AutoCAD starts up, open a new file. Once AutoCAD starts up, it's going to load the YQARCH plugin. So for you to be sure the YQARCH plugin is already installed, just type YQ and you're going to see the YQ menu. So let's go ahead and change the language. So type YQ lang, select English, click on OK. And once you do that, the YQARCH will come up in English. So this is how to install YQARCH for 2025 AutoCAD. I'm using the most recent YQ plugin, which is the 6.7.4, and it's good to have this one because it works well with AutoCAD 2025 and 2026 too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.